song to Pastor Sitiveni. We just found out that we were like close family. I just realised on my mum's side, on the cook's side. But I just praise God for how far you've come. And the song we're going to sing is Go On That Night. You know, we would be without Jesus. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here today. And we'd like to dedicate this to Sitiveni and Anthony and the kids. We just want to